Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are doing a little off-road riding on the CB500X. Okay, so a bit of rain coming, but it seems to be sunny enough up ahead, so hopefully we'll get some of that. Guess that's why it's called adventuring, my son. Oh, I put a bit of work into this one. Oh. Okay, not so much mud today and not so many flies, so they're good. I was getting eaten alive the last day. This looks curious. Just imagine meeting the guy that built all those blockades and little walls, meeting me with a stick or something. Oh well, what can you do? There's room for all of us. Okay, so it's amazing how quickly you just get out of the habit of weighing and underweighing the bikes and being in body position and everything. So this really is just good practice for me to get back into the swing of things. Whoa. Now, there's an example of target fixation. I was looking at the rock and I went over the rock. Excellent. So yeah, I definitely need this practice. Interesting. Not sure if it's a green, white and faded orange for Ireland or green, white and yellow for Offaly. We're in Cork, so I don't know. And there's a path. And actually, you know what? Maybe a little cross country. Was not such a good idea. This is fine on a dirt bike. Not such a good idea now. Okay. I wouldn't mind, but I don't even know what I'm going over to. I just think there's a path there. Oh, there is. Yeah. If you're just patient with the bike, you'll get through most things. Okay guys, welcome to another rocky road, heavy breathing video. Alright, so it looks like we're getting back to greenery anyway, if not complete civilization. It's amazing really, I'd say there's places up here that will just never get dry. It's kind of silty, sandy. Getting interesting very quickly. Okay, the drone seems to be back to normal. Can't say it's because of anything fantastic I did on my side. Note to self, I can't look at the screen and the rocks at the same time. The place is so big, there's just so much to explore here, really. It's just fantastic.